While I've worked with the team at Metro Performance Glass for a number of years with their Retrofit double glazing program, I've never actually had the opportunity on one of my own projects to install double glazing into brand new joinery. And now that I've been in the house as we've done the final preparations for people to move in, it's emphasised for me a number of things, those benefits around double glazing. It is certainly keeping the heat in as we get into winter. While I was here in summer, you could see the benefit and feel the benefit of the fact that it was reflecting some of that heat as well in the height of summer. And then there is also the quietness and the solidity that you get with it. So it's been a great sort of reminder, refreshment for me of the benefits of double glazing.